Let's talk about ways to make your pet stay more comfortable while vacationing here at Preppy Pet Colleyville. First, we want you to bring something that's familiar to your pet, like their favorite blanket or a toy, with a familiar scent to create a sense of home. This helps your pet become more relaxed when staying with us. Second, we want to maintain a consistent feeding schedule to reduce the stress in a new environment. So when you arrive, please make sure all your pet's food is bagged up in the amounts that you normally give them. We also like for you to give us your normal feeding time so we can try to adapt a schedule that's best suited for your pet. Third, we want to make sure your pet gets plenty of playtime, plenty of exercise, plenty of love and affection that they need. So we encourage all owners to sign up for all-day play. During your pet stay, this gives them time to interact with other pets. At Preppy Pet Colleyville, we provide a comfortable sleeping area that suits your pet in a climate-controlled and secure environment, away from other pets. We want to keep owners updated about their pet status during their stay. So if you want us to drop you a line saying how your pet's doing, or if you want a picture, just because you feel a little lost from your buddy, just give us a shout. Here at Preppy Pet Colleyville, the pet stays your way, and that's how we like it. Remember, give us a call, 682-877-3779, or stop by the website, www.preppypet.com/Colleyville. This is Harry signing out from Preppy Pet Colleyville, 3811 Colleyville Boulevard, Colleyville, Texas. Talk to you guys later.
A little treat in my coat pocket and a fresh bowl.